This is with the 1.5 inch spacers and a 2-inch budget boost lift kit on 30-inch tires. Alright, this is the 2000 Grand Cherokee. This is without the wheel spacers. Got quite a bit of room in here left. As you can tell, it is tuck-in tire though. Just on that little ramp there. I think it'll easily do twice this height before it starts lifting the opposite tire. This side's not even close to rubbing. And this is with the spacers back on it. Definitely going to be rubbing a little bit here in the rear, I think. I get a finger in here. Yeah, I fit a full finger right here. That's good. Back here, no, not so much. That's going to have to be trimmed out a little bit. And up here, it's clearing. It ain't happy though. Even without the spacers, I was having issues with it rubbing right through here. So, probably gonna have to do something about that. Do some trimming. Front, yeah, no worries on the front. At this flex angle. I wonder if I could turn my wheels though. Probably not too safe to turn my wheel up on this thing. Walk this way. I got plenty of room in here so far. I don't know what it's going to be like under flex though. We'll walk the other way. Definitely close to the bumper. I'm going to be rubbing. Going to do some bumper trimming here. We are going to be rubbing on this front bumper, especially if it's flexed out any. After driving around for a few days on the road, the only spots I'm seeing it rub is in reverse when doing a hard turn. In case you're wondering about all the trimming I was talking about, subscribe, like, and comment for upcoming videos. I'll be putting on some cutout bushwhacker fender flares on my next video. This is without the wheel spacers. As you can see, there's quite a bit of space here at the top left. With the wheel spacers on, I can only fit a finger in there. As you can tell, it's super close to rubbing right here. And these are just 30-inch tires with a 2-inch lift on here. So definitely going to want to get some bushwhacker fender flares. I don't even know if these 1.5-inch wheel spacer is going to fit the way it sits right now. I'm going to put them on, we'll see, we'll flex it out and see again. Alright, so we're going to put some wheel spacers on it. These were supposed to be new, came from 4.0 parts like this. Got the G2 forged aluminum wheel spacers, they're 1.5 inches thick. Pretty nice. I like them. They're worth the $75 for the pair. Ooh. Yep. But let's see if it's going to fit these big 1.5-inch spacers on it. Alright, so let's go ahead and get this wheel off. Okay, so the really important part is cleaning this. You gotta clean it really good. Make sure there's no rust, no mud, no debris on here. Luckily, these are pretty clean for me, so I'm just gonna give them a quick one over. Gotta have a good surface to mount to, so that way you get a proper torque on there. Alright, okay, after you get your surface nice and clean, go ahead and add some of the thread locker on there. It does not take a lot, just do an even pass down each stud. Don't need a lot of it. There we go. Now you can start putting your bolts on. Always tie it in a crisscross pattern. Alright, pull up that torque wrench. Pick this torque wrench up. Rented it over at the local parts store. They have a lot of parts stores have free rentals. Set it down here for the foot-pounds you need it to be. According to the manual, the recommended foot-pounds should be between 80 and 110 pounds. I'm going to head and set it for 100. Alright, double check them all. Yes. 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 And there we go. Go ahead and put this wheel back on there. Nothing special about that.
It helps if you use both your feet and toes to pick up and balance the tires.
I can torque these down. Right. I'm going to set that down.